Hi, everybody. Welcome to character modeling. That's right. Welcome to character modeling in week 5. Just give everybody a heads up. No discussions this week. You still have your week 5 written assignment that should have the 2 tools that you used on your written part of it. Also, the pictures from the mud box that's due on Sunday, and then also you have your second part of your body that's due on week 5 as well. So that's pretty much it. No discussion this week. I have no other stuff other than if you're missing assignments, contact me immediately. Let's see if we can get you on a schedule and go from there. Missing about half the assignments still. But other than that, pretty much it. I've looked through some of you that have turned in some stuff late. Been kind of nice on the points. I gave feedback where I thought is also if I put in there if you would like to talk about this a little bit more in detail, because I got some like comments of, hey, I need some help, but I really didn't get any like detail as to what about the mouth or what about certain areas that you need help with. So if you want to meet up this week or this weekend, contact me. I'll be happy to meet up and we can go from there. Other than that, that's pretty much it. Just focus on your assignments. If you have any questions, let me know. Do keep in mind, please do not attach the head to the body. We need to do that week 6 because we need to teach you about morphers if you want to add facial animation. If you don't want to add facial animation, we'll talk about that later. However, you don't attach anything to the bodies until week 6. That's really the big thing. Other than that, that's all I got. Be safe, have fun, enjoy. Have a great weekend. If you need anything, contact me as always. You got my number, and that's it. Have a good one, my friends. Enjoy, be safe, and take it easy. Bye-bye.